You have had the conversation, the client has chosen a plan, and now it is time to actually submit the enrollment. For a lot of new agents, this is the part that creates the most anxiety, because they have never done it before, and they are afraid of making a mistake. This video walks you through the enrollment process from start to finish, so you know exactly what happens at every step, and you can guide your client through it with confidence. Before you submit anything, you first need a signed scope of appointment form. If you are enrolling a client in a Medicare Advantage or Part D plan, the SOA is required. It documents which types of products you have permission to discuss. The client must sign it before the appointment, not during and not after. Most agents handle this electronically through their enrollment platform or via email ahead of time. This is not optional. A missing or improperly dated SOA can result in the enrollment being reversed and a compliance issue on your record. That's not good for your client or your business. Once the SOA is handled, you move into the actual enrollment. There are a few different ways to submit depending on the carrier and the tools your FMO provides. The most common method is an online enrollment platform. Your FMO will give you access to one or more carrier portals, or a multi-carrier enrollment tool where you can quote, compare, and enroll all in one place. You enter the client's information, select the plan, walk through the required disclaimers, and submit electronically. The client confirms their information either on screen with you or through a recorded verbal confirmation over the phone. Some carriers also accept paper applications, but electronic submissions are faster, cleaner, and less prone to errors. Here's what happens step by step during a typical electronic enrollment. First, you log into your enrollment platform and pull up the plan the client selected. Second, you enter or verify the client's personal information: name, date of birth, Medicare number, Part A and Part B, effective dates, address, phone number, and primary care physician, if applicable. Third, you walk through the plan details with the client one more time: monthly premium, out-of-pocket costs, network, pharmacy coverage. This is a CMS requirement. The client must confirm they understand what they are enrolling in. Fourth, you read the required disclaimers. These are scripted statements that the platform will prompt you to read. Don't skip them and do not paraphrase them. Read them exactly as written. Fifth, the client provides their consent. Electronically, this is usually a checkbox or a typed signature. Over the phone, it's a recorded verbal confirmation. Sixth, you submit the application. After submission, the application goes to the carrier for processing. Most electronic enrollments are processed within a few business days. The client will receive a confirmation letter in the mail from the carrier, and their new coverage will take effect on the date you discussed during the appointment, typically the first of the following month. You should also receive a confirmation through your enrollment platform or via email from the carrier so you can verify it went through. Here is a common scenario that trips up new agents. You submit the enrollment, and a few days later you get a notification that the application was rejected or pended. Don't panic. The most common reasons are a data mismatch, like the name on the application not matching exactly what is on the client's Medicare card, or a missing piece of information. Contact the carrier or check your portal for the specific issue. Correct it and resubmit. Most pended applications are resolved quickly once you know what to fix. One more thing. After every enrollment, save a copy of the SOA, the enrollment confirmation, and any notes from the appointment. Keep these organized by client. Whether you use a CRM, a folder on your computer, or a simple filing system, having these records protects you if there is ever a question about the enrollment down the line. Here's the action step. Before your next enrollment appointment, log into your enrollment platform and walk through the submission process with a test scenario if your platform allows it. Familiarize yourself with where the disclaimers appear, where the client confirms, and where you hit submit. The first time you do this should not be with a real client watching.